Good morning! Happy Thursday! Today is May 25 and nag-impake na ako dito sa Caravan kasi uwi na tayo. Si Jan, hinuk niya na yung Caravan sa ating car kasi umuulan na. Bago pa lumakas, si Sak nasa bed pa. Isak, get up! Come on! And ako, kailangan kong tanggalin ang mga to dito sa ibabaw ng ating kitchen ba, sa bench. Si Kuya, tinutulungan niya na si Daddy.
So taking front?
Yep.
Do that one.
Mommy, can you get me stuff?
Si Holly, magbibihis pa si Holly.
Is that your toilets on the front?
Yeah, I'll get that one.
Is that gross that toolbox? I'll just oh, it's right.
Uulan ng malakas. Pabiyahe tayo ng maulan.
I'll get dressed.
Eto, ilagay ko na to. Yes, baby, I will get in a minute. I'm just gonna finish this one here. I'm just gonna get your this one jumper.
It's nearly 9 o'clock.
Yeah, 9 o'clock now, outside.
Dad, can I put this in the floor now?
Napakulang si Holly, no? Ibaba out. You got your jumper. Tapasot ko lang ito, kasi uwi na. Uwi na naman tayo.
Put that.
Turn all the lights off and I'll turn the power off and I'll just move the caravan over there.
Okay.
Because I can't,
No,
I've got to get off the
there.
road, I'm off the road.
Okay.
No,
So
that's
what do
not where you put
so
it.
what do you want me to turn it off on? Just the
turn all
light?
the lights off.
Okay.
What drawer?
That's on TJ, all up. They all up.
Yep.
And I'll unhook the power and just hook it into the car. And then the fridge will bit and just put it onto the. Don't worry about all the.
No, mommy. What's
Just
that?
leave it now. I'm going to turn the power off. Don't touch nothing.
Let's turn off the light.
Wait, my bag.
Where's your bag?
Where's the rest of my bag? Gotta put it in. Let's move it somewhere. Dad, where did you put it?
I-off daw muna namin yung light kasi nakaharang yung car namin sa kalsada, so mag-move daw tayo. So mamaya na guys. Tapos ko nang iligpit ang mga dapat iligpit. Ayan, malinis na dyan. Except dun sa Coco Pops. Okay lang yan. Hindi naman sila babasagin. And akala ko tapos na tayong maglaba. Hindi pa. Ito yung mga labahan natin pagdating sa bahay. Yung mga towels. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yung mga sinot namin kahapon. Kasi doble-doble yung suot namin kahapon. Kaya, ang dami nating labahan. So, okay na dito, guys. Tapos na, nalock ko na yung mga dapat ilock. Yes, nalock na yan. Yung bathroom doon, nalock na rin yun ni Jan kanina. And then, yung TV. Andyan na sa bed. Pinatungan natin ng pillow. Ayan. So, okay na. Pangit ng weather today. Magbabiyahe tayong maulan. And eto, dun to sa harapan ko. Ayan yung computer bag. Okay, labas na tayo. Ako na lang ang hinihintay nila dun. Okay. Check ko lang yung fridge kung nakalock. Yes, nakalock na. Okay, alright. Let's go. Ah! Doon siya. Check lang kung nag-work. Lahat ng ilaw.
Other one. Break. Roger.
Roger. Okay.
Roger!
Okay, we're all good. Thanks, yeah. Tingnan yung ulan.
Dad, I got a mosquito bite last night. My butt hurts.
Madami nang umalis din kasi tapos na yung event ng Sapsasa. Dito wala na sa kabila. Wala na rin doon. Pangit ng weather. So, i-drop off lang natin yung keys dito sa box. Okay, hindi na natin kailangan pumunta pa sa reception para i-surrender yung keys. Drop off lang dun sa box. Parang mailbox. Okay, see you next time. West Beach Parks. Ang ganda dito guys, mag-holiday. Ang ganda ng nila. Etong big fair na to maganda.
Mommy.
So ayan yung weather na tinatahak natin guys. Maulan talaga. And cloudy. And medyo madilim ang daanan.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. No one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just
First stop
remember this.
for Johnny Boy.
Check the caravan.
Check the caravan. How's the caravan? Everything's good? Alright. Okay. Yan yung first stop natin guys. Dito na kami sa Keith. Lunch. 11:32. Kuha lang ako ng chicken. So naka-order na tayo. Binilang ko rin si Jan ng coffee. And pina-upsize natin yung chips. Kuma tayong maraming tissue. Kay Holly, ano yan? Chicken schnitzel kay Kuya. Caesar salad, same sila ni Holly. And kay Jan, ham and salad. And then, bargain box, syempre.
Main Holly just chicken schnitzel.
Alright. Chicken schnitzel and teriyaki.
Yeah.
And ito yung bargain box natin, guys. Ayan. So, kain ang lamig. Okay, let's eat.
Alright, can I start?
Nothing.
DIOS sandwich.
Day old?
B2 price.
Wouldn't it still be good though?
Day old sandwich pa rin nakuha natin. Hindi siya fresh. Gusto, alright? Where's the gravy? I have gravy.
Oh,
Nag-order din ako ng gravy. Oh, yung lamig.
Fuck you that.
Oh, yeah. Walang lamig sa bahay.
yeah, it would be cold.
Oh my god. Hurry up, it's freezing.
I'm not allowed to eat mine. Oh.
Yeah, hurry up. Hey.
Hungry Baba.
Yeah, why does everyone have hoodies on because they're cold and then you do one eating can?
Jack. From.
What?
I think it's a lower and peninsula.
I went by them.
Peninsula?
They were the first people we played on the last time.
Peninsula yung nanganalo sa Sapusasa, guys. Overall.
I thought it was southern.
Hindi pa sigurado si Kuya. Hindi rin namin kasi alam. Kasi ang dami.
I think it was
You think so? Oh no. Oh no. You want chicken?
Not yet.
Oh my god, ang lamig.
But you should have got fuel.
We have fuel.
Yeah, because if you get fuel, there's like this thing that you can get drinks, you can get chips, you can get chocolate only for $2. What about those? Chocolate. Oh no.
Go down, my God.
You guys put purple lettuce. Oh.
Eat, Baba, hurry up. Daddy, huh? Oh, malamig na
Oh.
talaga.
Those heads and
Right, not hot, love you.
Sarap ng chips.
does anyone want my chicken schnitzel in there?
You won't eat that, Zach.
Chicken schnitzel.
Oo.
Can I have some chicken, please? No, chicken. No. Let's go back there.
Okay. You're done?
Thank
No
you.
more chicken?
Finish off a bit of hot food. Warm up the belly.
Wait, just be careful in that middle.
What?
There's a soft ball. Holly.
No, the sand's going to mine.
How do you get that out?
Just in the middle. Just by
bus always gonna feel better.
Buti tumigil yung ulan. Pero uulan pa eh. Pagdating namin sa bahay, sobrang lamig, mahangin. Is it windy at home?
Well, it's starting to get a bit windy now.
I can't feel my hand in.
Just put it there, because I'm putting the bones. Thank you.
Wow, babe, you eat big now.
I know.
Well, that on up good.
Dami ko nakain, guys.
Huh?
Ay, tala.
Where's that salad?
What salad? That's for my dinner tonight.
Carry on, got it back.
Danya?
Door.
One more chicken? Okay, I'm full. Done. One more chicken? Yung kuya on.
Oh. Gotta hit that right. That marathon, right?
I'm done.
Help me here, please. Okay, tapos na tayo, guys. Yan yung ating caravan. Na-occupy natin tong side na to. Andun na si Sak tsaka si Oli sa car. Si Kuya. Ayan. Okay, let's go bago umulan. May tira pang 1.5 chicken. 1.5 chicken. Baba sila. Bibili sila ng lollies. Okay now. Ako okay na ako dito. Baba, get the Mentos, Baba! Pa silang lollies.
Small. We're sharing it.
Dito na sila, guys. Ayan na. What did you get, Baba? Did you get mine? Nakipag-share lang ako sa kanila. Ayan, music na si Johnny Boy. What you got, Kuya? Mga copyright tayo. Skittles, yung sweet and sour. Sour yan, guys. What you got, Baba? Mentos. Ako ang kinuha nila sa akong ito. Mentos Pure Fresh. Sarap to. Okay. Let's go home.
No, we're stopping to like jalapeno.
What do you... Yeah, Sak. Mentos din kay Sak.
No?
Pa-music na si Jen eh. What's that? Lifesavers. Lakas na ng ulan and malakas din ang music ni Johnny. Bahinaan ko lang saglit para makapag-vlog tayo. Ayan, ulan.
Just remember this.
Dito na kami sa Naracot. Magpagas ulit. Nagpagas na kami kagabi. Pero makigas pag tinuto natin ang caravan. So, magpo-full tank ulit si Johnny Boy. Ayan, full tank na ulit yung car natin. Anong oras na? 1:17. 1:17 na, guys. And tumigil yung ulan dito. Dito sa Naracot. Clear sila dito. Yung sky clear dito. Okay, uwi na tayo. Bahay na kami, guys. Si Kuya nasa likod. Ginaguide niya si Daddy para ma-park natin yung caravan. Kung saan siya nakalagay dati. Nung bago tayo umalis.
Is that leg gonna go down where we had it before? Where is it?
Yung caravan. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, so I'll just move over a bit then.
Si Kuya ang nag-guide sa Daddy niya. Ayun si Kuya. Nakita niyo doon sa camera sa likod. Siyang nag-guys. Si Kuya. Nag-signal siya. Nagsasend siya doon. Okay. Ayan na guys. Nakapark na ulit yung ating caravan dito sa bahay. We are back! We're home! Yan, siguro ituloy ko na lang bukas kasi gusto kong i-haul sa inyo yung konting nabili natin sa TK Maxx. Pero ayan, dito na tayo sa bahay. Check natin yung ating plants. Plants yung herbs. Ayan. Ayan, okay pa sila. Ayan. So, bukas na lang para i-haul ko sa inyo yung nabili ko sa TK Maxx nga. Kunti lang naman yun. Magpapahinga lang kami kasi gusto kong mag-nap. It's not short.
Yes, but how come I was asleep?
While you are sleeping. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow.
'Cause I think I do want you next to me.